Yan. Mayor, ayoko patulan to pero narinig ko kanina si Attorney Harry Roque talagang nagsalita at nagtanong din.
Hindi pa
Vlogger Maharlika in social media is masyadong sikat ngayon yung sinabi niya. May video daw siya na si BBM nag-ano ng pulburon, yung isyong pulburon. And ang nagbibigay daw si Justice Secretary at ang bumibili ay si First Lady. Pero this becomes an issue ngayon. At kanina nagtanong si Harry Roque, narinig ko, what if ito ay totoong may video, what would happen to the country kung mapatunayan? Even yun, narinig din kita before, may sinabi ka regarding a leader na nagko-cocaine. I just don't know who it is. But right now, may lumalabas po na ganyan.
wala yan. Yan, video. Well, I can say that every hindi lang leader, maraming leader dito, maraming mayor dito nagko-cocaine. There's no such thing. Kasi kung nandyan pa yan, matagal na lumabas yan. Wala yan.